The 2015 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power windows, trip computer, passenger airbag, security system, power door locks. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.